'Cause I just got to move. Take a look